important things Chat GPT do easy your life. Are you ready to discover how Chat GPT can make your life easier? Number 1. Efficiency. Boost efficiency, get quick answers and information on any topic. Number 2. Writing assistance. Writing assistant, let Chat GPT help you craft flawless content. Number 3. Learning aid, understand complex concepts with easy to follow explanations. Number 4. Language translation. Language translation, break down language barriers effortlessly. Number 5. Organization, stay on top of your tasks and to-do lists. Number 6. Creative ideas. Creative ideas, overcome creative blocks and brainstorm with ease. Number 7. Entertainment, get personalized recommendations for movies, books, and more. Number 8. Health and fitness. Achieve your wellness goals with expert advice. Number 9. Problem solving, tackle challenges head-on with ChatGPT's guidance. Number 10. Companionship, ChatGPT is here to keep you company and chat with you anytime. Discover the power of ChatGPT,